Hello, how are you?
Fine.
What is your name?
My name is Hadita.
What is your name?
Hadita.
What's your father's name?
Adana.
You don't know your father's name? Your father's name is?
Binni Kumbal.
Okay, who is your mother?
Nanini Bella.
Who is your grandfather?
Dadama Kakulu Bella.
And grandmother?
Grandmother.
Hmm?
Tubono Bella.
Your aunt name?
Huh?
Your aunt name?
Vadanti Bella.
Your little brother name?
Factor.
Your school name?
Ilokit.
Okay, how old you are?
5 that.
5 years. Okay,
5 years old.
5 years. Tell me month's name?
Sunday.
Months?
January.
Huh?
February. April. May. July.
January, February, March,
April. August.
May,
July.
June,
July. August. September. April.
October, November, December. Okay, tell me. Okay, Ganapati Baba song, Jai Ganesha.
Mata pipa lata pita madaba.
Bas. Okay, Bakratun,
I don't know.
you don't know. Okay, tell me about solar system.
Mommy, look, the 8 funny system.
Okay, 8 planets in our
Solar system.
Tell me those names.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay, which planet is your home planet?
Earth.
Why Earth is your home planet? Why Earth is blue color?
There's 17 water.
71% of
Water.
water.
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy, I know everything.
Which planet is smallest planet?
Mercury.
Okay. Which planet is red planet?
Sun.
No.
Mommy, Sun is really hot.
Yes, sun is very hot. Okay, tell me, in daytimes, who gives us light and heat?
Mommy, sun.
At night, who gives us light?
Moon also shine like the pink.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Like the shiny star.
Shining star.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, tell me about plants and which things plant need to grow.
Look, 12. Liquid.
No, which which things?
Mommy, look, 12. Yal. Chan. Water. Yal.
Very good. And tell me forms of water.
Solid. Liquid. Gas.
Okay.
Mommy, I was in there.
You know. Okay, tell me about Arctic animals. What is Arctic animals?
I don't know Arctic animal.
See who lives in ice area. It's called Arctic animals. No?
Mommy, penguin.
Yes, penguin.
Mommy,
Tell me.
Calabian.
Yes, penguin, polar bear. Yes.
I love tea.
Yes, correct.
I know everything.
Yes, now tell me desert animals.
Mommy, bullfrog.
Yes, tell me desert animals.
Mommy, the cold weather show me the eyes.
Yes.
Show me like the down.
Okay, tell me desert animals.
Desert animal. Mommy, Mommy, come my house. I go like the one woman.
Yes. Tell me desert animals.
That is animal.
Hmm.
Chair.
And
Mummy.
And?
Mummy.
yes. And
Camel.
tell
Chant.
Hmm. Okay, tell me some wild animals name.
Mummy.
Hmm.
Mummy.
Hmm.
The bill hot.
Hmm. Okay, tell me some wild animals.
On any tan.
Tell me wild animals who lives in jungles.
Jungle.
Wild
Mummy,
animal.
tiger.
Yes.
Elephant.
Yes.
Debala.
Yes.
Kangaroo.
Yes.
Mummy, आप इना did one chomcha pigeon.
Yeah. Pigeons. Okay. Okay, tell me about your country
Continue India.
and its capital.
Capital.
Capital of India.
India.
No, capital of India.
Banmanditi.
Capital of India.
New Delhi.
President of India.
Tapti Murmur.
Prime Minister of India.
Prime Minister.
India.
India.
Prime, Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
Prime Minister of India.
Narendra Modi.
Yes, correct. Tell me, national heritage animal.
Tiger.
Heritage animal.
Elephant.
Yes, correct. National animal.
National tiger.
National food. Fruit.
Fruit. Mango.
National tree.
Banyan.
National song.
Ganamanna. Dannamanna.
National anthem. Janagana.
Dannagana.
National song.
Bande Mataram.
Yes, correct. Father of nation.
Banmandidi.
Mama, tell me how many bones in human body?
200 thick bone.
Very good. Okay.
Mummy, I know this tool.
Yes, daddy teach you.
Mummy, my ma'am.
Okay, good. Ma'am teach you. Okay, very good. And,
Mummy, I got 7 and also 8 spelling.
oh, okay. Tell me 8 spelling.
Look, E
No, E I.
G
Huh.
H T.
Very good. Okay, tell me 7 spelling.
Look, H
Hmm.
E B E A.
And very good. Okay, tell me your hometown state name.
My hometown technique.
Your hometown is
Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar. No, your hometown is
Odisha.
and its capital.
Bhubaneswar.
Yes, very good.
Mummy, go to Alita. You tell Bhubaneswar.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. What you want to tell?
How to tell opposite?
Opposite. Okay.
Mummy, look, thought.
Short. Opposite.
Short, I don't know.
Short. Tall.
Mummy, I am short, you tall.
Yes.
Daddy also tall. Daddy, mummy, tall.
Okay. Full.
Full,
Full opposite.
empty.
Okay. Big.
Swam,
Wet.
die,
Hot.
cold,
Beautiful.
ugly,
No. Black.
white.
Dark.
Mummy, pakla dude, dark milk is white.
Yes. And tell me full. Full. Full.
Kurapati,
Huh.
full,
Hmm.
empty.
Okay.
Mummy, I
On-
did full empty.
On.
Up,
Okay. Okay. Up.
down, okay.
Okay. What you want to tell?
Mummy, I want to tell ABCD. La ABCD cuma letter.
You know, na? Sing a song. Sing your Odia song. Bande Utkala Janani, come. Where do you hide, baby? Come, come, come. Okay, say bye bye.